Hello guys, welcome to this video lecture. In this episode, we are going to see how to use a stack in order to evaluate a postfix expression. Suppose I have got a postfix expression like this, 2, 3, and this operator plus 5 and multiplication operator like this, and then 6 and plus. So we need to evaluate this entire postfix expression. We can see that the operands are before the operator. That is why we can surely say that this is a postfix expression. Now we are going to create a stack. So this is a stack. Now the algorithm is like that. So check the entire expression and read all the characters or all the tokens one by one. So there are these many tokens, okay? So let us tokenize it. So these are all individual tokens. So we have 2, 3 plus 5 multiplied by 6 and plus. So the algorithm is such that you scan from the starting of that string, and if you find an operand, push that operand to the stack. So we are going to push this 2 to the stack. Then we are going to push this 3 to the stack. Now, when you find an operator, you pop both the items 3, and the second pop operation will involve 2. So we need to use that operator with both the operands. So this is the operator. 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Now this 3 is gone. This 2 is also gone. Now we have 5. And then whatever may be the evaluated result, just push it back to the stack. Okay. So now we are going to have 5 here. Again, repeat the same process. So next token is 5. So put 5 here. Next token is multiplied by. Now pop both the operands. So we are going to pop both the operands, and both the operands are 5 and 5. And use this operator to evaluate the result. 5 multiplied by 5 equals to 25. Then push this 25 again to the stack. Now this 5 is gone, this 5 is gone, and in place of that, we have 25. Now again, next operand is 6. So push that 6 to the stack. Okay. So here we have the latest stack. And now this is the operator. So pop 6, pop 25, and use this particular operator to compute the result. So the result is 25 plus 6 is 31. And then again push this 31 to the stack. So at any time, the stack is not going to have more than 2 items. So we can always take a stack of size 5. So it is going to save the space. Don't use any dynamic stack or anything like that in case you are going to write a program for it. Now in the end, when all the characters in that particular, all the tokens or all the character in that particular expression are exhausted, and we are at the end of that particular string representing that expression, then check the top of the stack. So the stack is always going to have one element left in the end of this algorithm, and pop that element, and that element is nothing but your final result. So this is the result of evaluation of the postfix expression that we are discussing now. So this is the algorithm for evaluation of the postfix expression using a stack. So this is very easy and simple algorithm to understand. You just go ahead and scan the entire expression, tokenize it, and then scan it. Whenever you find an operand, just push it to the stack. And whenever you find an operator, pop everything from the stack, use that operator to perform that mathematical operation, and then push the result back to the stack. Whenever you are going to reach the end, by continuously doing it, the top of the stack is going to have the result of the evaluation of your postfix expression. So this is how we can use a stack to compute the evaluation of the postfix expression. So I hope that you have understood this easy algorithm, and I have already created an episode to implement this in Python programming language, and I am going to create various episodes for implementing this in other programming languages like Java, JavaScript, C, and C++. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to understand all the concepts better and to check all the latest programming exercises. Thanks a lot once again for watching this episode. Do let me know if you have any questions or queries in the comment section down below. Thanks a lot once again, and I will see you in the next episode.